Okay folks, we're up here at near the summit of the Chehalis Skyway. We finally got above the smoke at about 4,000 feet. So on the way up, you know, at about the 4,000 foot level. So to give you an idea of how thick that smoke bank is down in town, it's probably a couple thousand feet thick. Behind us is this overlook's called Big Junction. So yeah, back there you can see towards Tennessee, and then we're just past the summit coming from North Carolina, like I said. So the summit's like right up in there. Pretty clear up here. We're gonna go back down and get some more footage of the action down below. They're hoping to have this fire under control by tomorrow, so you know, fingers crossed these guys can knock it out. The winds have calmed down some, so should be better conditions for those guys. Alright, here we are still on the Skyway. I'm at the Spirit Ridge trailhead. There's a cool little paved path that goes out to a deck that overlooks the Skyway right here behind me. It overlooks that nasty mile marker 10 turn. So I'm going to grab the Segway here and roll out there. So I got wheelchair access ramp here. It's been a while since I've been up to this overlook, a few years, and I don't know how well they've kept it maintained, but usually if there's any kind of foliage you really can't see much from it. But there's been a local crew of enthusiasts going around with the you know, permission and help of the Park Service, kind of clearing some of these overlooks away so that they're actual overlooks again. But now that the leaves are falling down, even if they haven't hit this one, it shouldn't be too bad. Oh yeah, so I don't know how well it comes in here. Let me zoom in a little bit. You can really see the front of that smoke billow there, the leading edge of it there, more or less, where it sort of has flared up. And then down here below us, right there, you can see the road. So this goes into sort of the notorious mile marker 10, downhill, decreasing radius. A lot of people have a hard time and wreck down there. They put some new signs up that really get your attention a lot better than it used to. Some nefarious types had come out here and painted slow in the road and things, trying to help people sort of be aware of that. But yeah, pretty cool little pier deck here that the Forest Service built. Tells you a little bit about, you know, the history of this section, and you know, how it came to be and everything. It's kind of cool space that they made. So if you get up this way, you get a chance. Like I said, it's right up past mile marker 10. We're on the North Carolina side. We still haven't gone into Tennessee, so check it out. If you're up this way, if you're a peasant, it's a little bit of a walk. So be prepared for that, but it's only about a quarter mile and it's paved, so not too bad. A little bit of dramatic footage going into the sun on the way back. There's a little information on board here talking about the chestnut. I'm at a chestnut tree, I suppose. Yeah, American chestnut. Very cool. Yeah, and the head of this trail is in sort of a zigzag S-turn. And so, a couple of picnic tables here. It's nice out. This would be a cool place to stop and get a little lunch on. It's like a Segway obstacle course. Groovy. On to the next. So there we have it, today's adventures. I hope you enjoyed the coverage of the Firepocalypse 2016 there. If you haven't already done so, I've got a new page this is all being posted on that I ran out of friend spaces on my original page, so now I've got an unlimited page. So you have to like it, and you can turn on notifications up in the top corner. Usually there's some kind of a little drop down menu system if you're mobile, the 3 dots, and you can turn on notifications for photos and videos that get uploaded to this page now. Those of you who are living in this area that's having to deal with this smoke, a lot of people know this, not really a secret, but just in case you're not aware, you know, you can take a wet rag and sort of squeeze it all out, but then breathe through that, and it filters out a lot of this, and you can put that rag like behind a painter's mask or something like that to kind of keep it on your face and help filter out some of this smoke. My throat's already been irritated by it. Lori's has been rough. Thanks, by the way, for all the kind words for Lori yesterday. She had a rough day, but she's doing a lot better now. Still coughing and dealing with the throat thing, but I think that's just going to be an issue until we get past all this. I have a 360 video that I'll have to post separate from this, and I'll put a link in the description when it's ready and uploaded, so it should be a pretty good video. I haven't seen it yet, but it's processing now, and I'll get more coverage as this goes on. Like I said, they're hoping to have this all taken care of by tomorrow, so we'll see what happens. Thanks, you guys. Take care. Later.